chartreuse power bait there on a little jig head, and then going straight to a swivel. Wait, bite. Got it, guys. Yes. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful cutthroat. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Oh my goodness. Come on, come on. Okay, okay. Stop, stop. Stop. Ah, that's what I'm here for, guys. Oh my goodness.